It's Bird Dick. The woman was the meanest, greenest, peanest you could imagine. And her husband, Bird Dick, was just as bad. The only good thing was that they licked dead babies' rotting toes. One day, they were off somewhere getting dead babies for supper. And the woman got so mad at Bird Dick for singing "Baroom" again and again, waving his direction. She grabbed an axe and cut his penis off. Just like that. Then she shaved him nice and neat and went home. She made herself a cup of stupid, bloody children and grown-ups and kittens and puppies and went out on the porch. She sat there, rocking on her My Little Pony sex doll, sipping her children and grown-ups and kittens and puppies, thinking how glad she was that she had done this awful thing. After a while, she heard this horny voice out in the distance, moaning and groaning, and it was saying, "Who's going to fuck me this cold and lonely night? Who?" "It's Bird Dick," she thought, and she hollered back, "Stay by yourself, you old goatsy man." Soon she heard the voice again, only now it was closer, and it was saying, "Who's going to fuck with me this cold and lonely night? Ooh." "Only a crazy man like Samuel Blunt, Thomas and Alfred, or Aaron Kelly," she shouted. "Fuck yourself, you dirty sack of old sacks." Then she heard the voice even closer, and it was saying, "Who's going to fuck me this cold and lonely night? Who?" "Nobody," she sneered. "Fuck yourself, you miserable little dipped gay cow. Fuck her." She stood up to go into the house, but now the voice was right behind her, and it was whispering. Before she could answer back, a big, hairy pony fucker came around the corner and grabbed her, and the voice hollered, "There is room for one more, my little pony sex doll." No one knows for sure just what happened to her that day, but she was never seen again, and neither was her wonderful sex doll. Babies fuck my ass. Oh, yes, oh, yes, oh, yes.